Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'm going to show you in this video very attractive and so beautiful trendy ideas of highlights in short hair. With beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish hairstyling. First of all, I will talk about hairstyles. Many much more latest and 2023 ideas of hairstyles you see in this video. So attractive collection of fine hairstyle. Mostly ideas in highlights, hairstyles, fine hairstyle, fine and straight. Looks very shine, straight hair in highlights. But some ideas today's in my collection: wavy and curly hairstyling, some ideas in spiky hairstyle, and some collection in messy hairstyle. And very attractive ideas of highlights. Mostly ideas of highlights in blonde color and different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, dazzling blonde, and these ideas of highlights with dark base color, and some collection of highlights in funky colors with light base color, and very attractive collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, beautiful shag ideas you see in this video, and other haircut in short hair, some ideas in wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and latest ideas of cut, choppy haircut and notching haircut, some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and many much more beautiful ideas of highlights in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look very pretty and you look very nice. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.